Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to have a review about on this BOYA microphone. This microphone is also compatible with the smartphones, tablets, DSLR, and computer as well. You can use this also on your laptop if you have a laptop and if you want to record a voice, and this is the first time that I'm going to use the external microphone on my camera here, so I just wanted to enhance the voice quality of my videos, so that's why I bought this one. This one is the BYMM1 model. Guys, I already unboxed this one and I already attached the mic on my camera here, so this is what I'm using right now. So you can rate the voice quality of this one and you can comment it below, so that's why if we can recommend this to our friends or to our relatives. My experience here is very good, guys. So we're going to unbox this and I'm going to show you what is inside of this, and I'm going to show you how to set up this microphone. Okay, the next video is going to be unboxing of this one. Okay guys, this is our BOYA microphone. Let's try to open this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, the box, and this is inside of the box, and I think it's a warranty card and the manual. Yeah, this is the manual. We have here. Oh, okay guys, this is the bag. This is where you can put all the things here, so that's why it will very safe on the dust, and and it has also a logo of BOYA here. Okay, this is the cable here. This one is going to your microphone, and this one is going to your on your smartphone or your camera or on your DSLR camera. Yeah. This one is, what is this? This one has no label. Maybe this one is also used for, I think, I don't know. This one is used for, I think this one is for the audio. Yeah, audio. And this is the bracket, guys. You can put this on your tripod. Yeah. And this is the mic itself. Look at that. It's very cool, right? And it has this one is for used for a voice noise cancellation something. Yeah. And if you remove this one, this is removable. You can remove it like this. And this is the microphone itself. That's the socket. It's like a flashlight something. And this is it. And you can put it up, and you can put the wire. This one here. The wire like hollow mic. Yeah, that's all I think. It's like this one is made of metal or something. Yeah, very adorable one. Look at that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.